Alright, so this is how you change the air filter in the garage on this thing. Make sure you get the right size, which in my case is 20 by 20 by 4. They do FPRs. I would recommend this one or higher. There's another one, FVT or something, which is similar but stuff, but you get the point right here. So there's FPR and there's M something, different code, but you get the idea. There's different ones. So you have that, open it up. In my case, just need to pull on this like that. Once you do that, go somewhere. And then here it is. Change it in November. So like, oh, right here, MERV 12, FPR 10. So the air is going down. So this is how dirty it is. I'll shoot from this side, like that. This is the new one, right here. So airflow down. What we do is put it up, stick it in here, just like this. And then put date for 21/24, and then put the cap back on. Put the date right here, April 21/24, and just close it, and you're done. So stick it in there like that. Basically just stick it in there and push it. That's how you do it. Hopefully that helps. In my case, the air is going down.